me talk my truth. Made an Instagram for my cat, and my cat doesn't even rap and got more followers than you. Hold up. Let me get my cat a bar. She's filthy. Hey, Capo, come here, baby. Can't tell me nothing. I'll rap it's like big cousin. But when you're drunk at the wedding, I still don't focus. Ain't a girl. It's my
Bradley, he's Cuzzo.
You're embarrassed, huh? I'm in Paris, bruh. You brought your whole crew. I'm with my parents, bruh. Every white dude in America.